In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Hotjar account. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting your account is a permanent action. Once it's gone, your data, recordings, and any settings you've configured will no longer be available. So if there's anything you might need later, such as reports or screenshots, take a moment to download or export those from your workspace before you move ahead. When you're ready, begin by opening your browser and heading to your Hotjar dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual credentials and wait for the main dashboard to load. You should see your site overview and any projects or data associated with your account. This is the starting point for accessing your account options. Next, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll find your profile area there, usually represented by your avatar, initials, or a small profile icon. Click on that profile section to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Hotjar keeps all your personal and account-related controls, including the option to manage your account settings. From the drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Account Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage your account details. Give the page a moment to load. Here, you'll typically see sections related to your personal information, billing, security, and overall account controls. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or organization. On the account settings page, look for the control that allows you to delete your account. This is usually labeled clearly as Delete Account. It may appear near the bottom of the page or in a section related to account status or closure. Click on Delete Account to begin the deletion process. At this point, Hotjar may ask you to confirm your decision, sometimes by re-entering your password, selecting a reason for leaving, or acknowledging that the deletion is permanent. Carefully read any warnings or confirmation messages that appear. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the deletion. Once you confirm, your Hotjar account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. After that, you won't be able to log back in or recover your previous data, so make sure you've